Hey everyone, if your mail app isn't loading emails, here's what to do. First, open the settings and scroll down and tap Mail. Then, tap Accounts and select the email account that's not loading. Here, make sure that Mail is toggled on. Next, tap Fetch New Data and make sure that Push is turned on. You can also set it to fetch automatically for real-time updates. Now go back and check your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure that your internet connection is stable. And if it still doesn't load, try force closing the Mail app and reopening it again, or restart your iPhone. And lastly, if the issue continues, remove the email account and add it again under the settings and mail accounts. And that's it. Your Mail app should now load emails properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.